Hello. I'm back to unbox this mini evolution stamp die and emboss kits from We Are Memory Keepers. Like I said, I they gave mine away, but see, mine didn't have the shim in it. So I was like, wait a minute, you have to buy all this. So if this really does come with everything, that'd be great. Alright. Says the kit contains one mini evolution, one mini precision press, one base plate. See, I think the base plate, or the one under the cutting plate. Yeah, the base plate. One embossing plate, 4 layered stamp, 2 die and emboss folders, 1 embossing folder, 15 acrylic stamps, 5 die shapes, 25 sheets of white paper, and 25 sheets of cream paper. Wow. Okay. Not bad. Okay, here's the stamps that come inside. But I gotta put this together. Do I have to put this together? Oops. I think this is the embossing folders. Okay. This is the paper that the 25 sheets of white paper and all that. And here's the oh, here's the little dies. Okay. There's 2 locks for some reason. Oh, if you want this to suction onto your desk, you can suction it down with that. Okay. I think it's this that didn't come in my other one, and I was like, forget it. What's this here? Is this? Oh, this looks like die 2. What is this? I want to say this is a little mini stamper. Oh, get out. Or not. I might have to play around and then come back and show you, because I wasn't prepared for all this. Is they label it. This is lace E, B, and C. So B is the base plate, C cutting plate, what's E? Extra? Embossing plate. Okay. Yeah, I'm excited for this. Okay. That's the, I think they have another one. I am excited for, this was a good buy. And here's the other one, but I'm not gonna take this one out. I mean, I'm not gonna use it, I'm not gonna demonstrate it. You get the picture. I think the next one stamp. But I'll pull it out just to show you. The embossing folder says cheers. And then there's die in there. And in here. I do not know what that is. A balloon? I don't know what that is, but the embossing folder and the die for that. Cool, cool, cool. This kit is packed. I'll put that together. And then the embossing folders. I don't, yeah, this is just doing it wrong. You take the embossing folder, the embossing plate. Then you take the embossing folder and paper, and then you put the base plate on top. That's why it was too thick. Oh, look at that. That's really nice. I'm impressed. You get all of this and this for $25. So, that is all I have for you today. Thank you so very much for watching. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.